Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. And on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install this quick and easy Bye Bye Knots Glueless 7x5 water wave wig unit from UNiceHair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous unit, and I am living for the Bye Bye Knots technology. This lace pretty much came super beginner friendly. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-parted. It also came with the edges already made, so all you literally have to do is put this wig on and head out the door and you're ready to go. Me, I'm a girl that loves details, so you know I'm definitely gonna wet the hair down. I'm gonna tighten the band in the back, the non-slip band, you know, put the comb in that comes in the wig, and I'm definitely gonna do a little adhesive spray, you know, just so I can get like a really good melt, which I've definitely achieved right now. But nonetheless, this wig is 100% glueless, so I could put my comb in it. If it was glued down, that would have given me a hard time to do, and I can rock it from side to side. I can also lift the wig up, so if I definitely need to take it off, I can. And that is what I love about these Unice wig units, the Bye Bye Knots unit in particular. It just comes where if you are a beginner, intermediate, advanced wig wearer, or you know, someone who doesn't know how to install a wig, to someone who does, you definitely can do it all by yourself.
I'm at the rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation, these kind of things, baby, deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take five, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, and see my sun burn with these same eyes. To see my sun smile bright in every gray sky. He's going so fast, that's why every day I give it 100, not 190. Praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty.
Alright you guys, so I'm finally back with the gorgeous wig unit all done, and this glueless unit is actually from UNiceHair. They went ahead and branded everything for us so we know it's Unice. This gorgeous unit is from their Bye Bye Knots collection. It is a 7x5 glueless water wave wig unit in a lace closure, and I'm loving the pattern and texture. The hair is really nice and soft. It was super easy to work with, and their Bye Bye Knots technology just comes with this gorgeous closure that is pretty much all done for you. So when it comes on to installing, it is super beginner friendly because you literally can do this wig if you've never done a wig before. Everything was done for you down to the edges, girl. So if you are an edges type of girl and you're like, I don't even know how to do edges, but I really like them. And usually when I have wig units, I get people saying, oh hey, can you add edges for me because I don't know how to do them, or will the edges come on it? Unice already has it done. So this unit also comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so like I said, super beginner friendly. When you come in closer, you can see the knots are pretty much invisible, and that's because this wig was hand dyed and the lace was hand tied. So when it comes on to invisibility, that's definitely where you get that technology from, and Unice does it all. So if you'd like to go ahead and purchase this unit, which I would highly recommend, don't forget to go ahead and click the links down below in the description box. And it is sale season, so Unice is going to be having a whole bunch of sales for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so you definitely need to get on board with that. They will have it all over their website, and I will have special coupon discount codes down below along with the links for you to go ahead and check out. So you definitely don't want to miss that. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes. It's definitely quality wig pieces for an affordable cost. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, just keep on watching.